Hey there, air filter buffs! Welcome back to our channel where we're diving into a gas turbine's dirty little secret. It's air filter. I'm Sophie Belanger. Today we're unboxing a used filter to discover the stories hidden in its layers of dust. Let's get started! Alright, let's see what's inside. A true industry staple, the conical cylindrical filter. Now, this one is completely filled with fluff and pollen, probably from a hard life out in the country. Looks like the pleats are completely full and the filter looks clogged from the dust cake all over here. That dust cake can rival a hipster's beard. What does this mean here? Well, only a pressure drop test will spill the beans. Let's put this country boy in the rig. Alright, let's look at the results. This dusty filter is now at 1.4 inches water gauge, or 350 Pascal, double what it was new and clean. But it's still only halfway to the typical change-out pressure, around 700 Pascal. It's a fluffy paradox. The dust cake may look scary, but it's airy enough to keep the filter pressure up low. There's still some life left here. Now, for some pro tips to keep your filters in top form. Inspect your pulse system annually, including the compressed air pressure and the valves. And give your filters a good pulse cleaning during downtime. Think of it as a refreshing trim for your filter's beard. A little filter TLC goes a long way in keeping your filters lasting longer and your turbine running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and until our next filter adventure, remember, looks can be deceiving in the world of air filters, so check your pressure drop regularly. Catch you later!